Hello everyone, my name is Arian. I hope you are great. Today we are going to talk about Mathematics 11 and specifically lesson 3.3. And let's go and start it. Unit 3, talking about discrete functions and have so many idea in the unit 3 and before unit because I start this unit. I have a test the day after tomorrow and I review the lesson and told myself take the video for you. I know that you are using this slide and let's go. Lesson 3.3 talk about arithmetic and geometric sequence, and I think it's a little bit difficult, but that's good for information about arithmetic and geometric sequence. Here is say introduction, vocabulary and new words, and topic 1 arithmetic and sequence, and unit 2 geometric sequence. So important activity, homework, practice and test yourself. This unit have a test yourself because help you understand better. And let's start it. The previous lesson we have to learn about sequence. In this lesson we are going to talking about arithmetic and geometric sequence. Often we are try to find unknown compounds of the sequence. So simple and but so little bit difficult. And let's next here at the this here told you the end of the lesson. You have a unit 1 test in defensive arithmetic and geometric sequence and the determine any unknown and terms in the sequence. You have a test, you told you don't forget about that. And the next one, when I finish this lesson, this here told you when you finish this lesson you can understand reason and important arithmetic and geometric and find the noun term in the more complex sequence. Told you understand better all of them, arithmetic and geometric. Here say a new words and something like that. Arithmetic and geometric sequence is the increments of the adding or subtracting the constant number. Geometric sequence with the increment of the multiplying or divided by constant. Is here say arithmetic is plus or something like that, but geometric is multiply or multiplying is divided by. Let's next step topic 1 of the arithmetic sequence. You have sequence and the lessons how to find the noun terms. Here have some video and help you understand better what is the arithmetic sequence. If you like, you can watch this video in the YouTube. Next, example 1. Here have some example. This sequence have a differentiate between each number and something like that. It's help you, the example help you understanding. Again have the same example and what is the arithmetic, how we can find it. And arithmetic have one formula, its formula is a1 plus n minus 1 the multiply d, and you can find better the number. Here in important rules we can writing on the arithmetic sequence as a rule as the following, and a plus d and n minus 1. Now I told you formula, and is the counting number for the terms, and is the n terms not. We use n minus 1 because d is not using in the one terms. Here again the same example, and you help you understand better. Again the same, but it's good understand all of them, formula and number. Again example, that's good example, that the best example for understand. And here have a one video again, and told you the term of the arithmetic and find the term in the sequence. Next example 1 2 4 6 is say sequence setting to first term d and including by to each times. It was so simple and so good. Again example, and here have the formula an equals an minus 1 multiply 2. Finish the 1, unit 1 lesson 1, and 2. Unit 2 is what is the geometric sequence and learning how to find noun terms. This one here I told you now. Geometry is, for example, COVID-19 because it's faster grow up is geometric, or for example population is geometric, and some look like that, same look like that. The next again told you according to the definition, a geometric sequence is the sequence when each term is defined b multiplying the previous term b constant number. Next, writing the rules and how can you find the common ratio. And here have a one video. It's before I watch it, this one so good for help you understand. I watch it so many. And the next here again example, the same example and simple and help you. Note, r is count to recall to 0 because the sequence will be like the following forms. Next, it's important we can writing the geometric sequence as rules as the following. And next, notes say the note is common ratio can be less than 1 negative and positive in the fractions form as well. And here have a formula and the video I told you now. an equals multiply 1 a1 r n minus 1 power r power of n minus 1, the formula, and help you better understand this video. I watch it so many. Next please, is this here have an example, some example you can help you better. Again the same, that's good, important. Again the same example, that's good, you can help you understand as writing the formula ar n minus power of n minus 1, the formula geometric sequence. Here have some writing the relationship between the dimensions and geometric sequence. And the main source and has a leket for r2 in the 2 dimensions as the software has in for the 2. That's good, and you can see the note, keep in your mind that we have the more dimensions events greater than 4. And here have a homework. If you have a problem, you can write the homework. So important homework. And this one is challenge yourself. The first time I told you the one example and challenge for you and help you understand better arithmetic sequence and geometric sequence. And reflect in the this lesson you learn 250 words. Explain what you have learned, and you should explain all of the word you learn and understanding. And the end of the lesson, thank you. If you have any question, you can send my Gmail and send the Gmail teacher. Thank you so much. Watch my video. Have a good day. Take care. Bye.